In this video I'd like to show you how I made my DTI gauge set from using old spark plugs. As you can see, I've got the 40mm version of a Mercer, old Mercer gauge for this task, and a selection of different thread sizes. I've got 10mm, two different depths of 12mm and one at 14mm there. And how you make them is basically get a spark plug, turn off the top collar so you can release the porcelain. You can see what it looks like. Sometimes these are quite difficult to get out because they're packed in with some like heat-proof powder or fire gum or whatever they use. But if you remove the electrode on this side and then tap the central electrode with a tap, that comes out like that. That's the base made, and as you can see on this other one I've made a shorter one, a 12mm. You can see inside there you've got a piece of brass like a sleeve, and that sleeve is obviously 8mm shaft to take the gauge like that. So they just consist of a piece of brass, and I think this is 15mm diameter, and you drill a hole through the middle and you turn down a little spigot on the end here to fit into the hole, to fit inside. And if you turn it the right size, you can press that in so it's a tight fit, or make it a good fit and super glue it in. Either way will do. It's quite a simple thing to make, really. There's a 14mm one, and you can get these little thumb screws off eBay for a couple of pounds each, something like that. I'll put that one into there. You just need a little nip on there, and that's the device ready to go into the cylinder head. These ones are a lot longer on some of the multi-cylinder bikes. They're quite deep down inside the head and difficult to get to, so I've made longer ones so they got more than enough room to stick out and have the clock sticking out the top. So basically easy enough to make out of some old spark plugs, and you've got your correct threads for when you come to do the job. Obviously they've got a selection of different length bars which will cater for just about every job. So to recap, get an old spark plug, turn off the top here, then tap out the electrode from this side. They nearly always come out in one piece, and you can see the inside there. You've got a nice straight hole there for turning the shaft down the brass to fit inside. So that culminates my homemade DTI set. Thank you all for watching.